In life, you have two options. Option A is to be single and enjoy life by yourself. Option B, which many people choose, is to get married. If you get married, then either you will have a miserable married life or a happy married life. 95% of the people have a miserable married life. They are struggling in their marriage. 5% of them have a successful, happy married life. What is the secret? They have two ingredients in their marriage: love and respect. Yes, the husband and the wife should love and respect each other. Only then they can have a successful, a happy married life. Some of them have love but no respect. Some of them have respect but no love. It doesn't work that way. They should have both love and respect. Only then there will be success, a happy married life.